Hello everyone, happy holidays. It is Christmas Eve and you are tuning in to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So even though it's Christmas Eve, I've been doing shopping. Yep. I just couldn't help myself, and I see stores are already starting to get some new items in for spring transition, and I am so over winter. I hope wherever you are staying warm because it is cold out there. But that still doesn't prevent me from going out. So, what did I get? Well, some of these things I didn't have to leave the house for, in all honesty. First thing I got, all right, that I'm going to show you today is from Loft. I just purchased this. I got these pants, these jeans, that are non-distressed and non-skinny, just like I said. And they were 30% off, plus I had a $10 reward, and I got them for $56.29. They're not distressed, as I said, in a dark wash, a very big flare leg, front patch pockets, back pockets, and I got them in a regular size 25, not a slim, because in this kind of pant, I will be wearing a heel. I already tried them on in store, and I can get away with them in heels. So I'm pretty excited about these. I'm gonna look at the footage of how I look in them. I thought in the store maybe I looked a little hippie, but that's kind of just the way they are. But so I'm gonna need your help. You know, if you're gonna tell me, Carolyn, you look like a hippopotamus in them, I'll return them. But I thought they were kind of cute, okay? And I don't really have much in the way of dark wash, and I really just don't have much way of like a flare type of jean. So I'm very happy. And I added this shirt to it. Now this is very spring transition. It's just a knit shirt. It is striped. So the color stripes are navy, orange, and pink. The thin stripe is pink. This is some color combination and I love it. This is totally outside of my box, totally out of my style. I typically don't do stripes. I kind of find they're pretty basic, but I'm starting to warm up to them. And this particular stripe is funky, the pattern and everything, and it is very reminiscent of my youth. So this entire outfit, I'm gonna be feeling very groovy in. Okay, next up, Amazon. So I can't even remember the price of this, and of course it really doesn't matter, and I'll link everything in the comments down below, but I think this is roughly around $30. This is a sweater by Amazon, The Drop. I saw Laura from Little Box of Happy get this, and I think she got it in white, and I looked online, and it was in red too, and I don't have a red sweater. So, you know, I looked at the material and everything, and I liked it based on the material, and it's a rib knit. And I got this in a normal size extra small, and the top is an extra small and the jeans are a size 25, which are my typical size. But this is really small looking, and I think with this I probably should have sized up. That's number one. It is a ribbed knit, but it's kind of scratchy, you know, it's not a soft rib knit. So the material out of this is 50% nylon and 50% viscose, which would make you think it would be soft, because nylon generally makes things soft, but and viscose isn't a rough fabric, but to me this is kind of rough. So between the size of it and the roughness of this, I'm thinking this is going to go back. Again, this is Amazon, The Drop, and it was try before you buy. So I'm not out any money yet, but I need to try this on, and if I don't like it, send it back. So I'm going to try on those together. All right. Now, I mentioned to you my mother-in-law for my birthday had given me a generous gift card to Stitchfix, and these showed up on Stitchfix Resale. They're DL 1961. They are a straight leg. I think they're supposed to be crop. They're the Patty Straight Leg High Rise Vintage 31 inch. And it's certified cotton. They're a size 25, and they were on sale at Stitch Fix for $84 and change. So I never tried this brand. I don't really own much in the way of premium denim like this, DL 1961. I'll try them on and give them a shot. And again, I'm looking for a lot of non-distressed jeans, especially now since it's so cold out. The last thing I want to do is expose my legs. It's freezing. So I'll give these a try and see how they are. Okay. These also, to let you know, they look narrow in the hips to me, so we'll have to see. Okay. Okay, next thing that you've already seen, and I'll briefly show you again. This is this mauve shirt by Chaser. I tried it on for you in the past. I had it on with a jacket I also got from Stitchfix, but the jacket was enormous. So I returned it and got this denim jacket instead, which is also mauve. All right, and honestly, I'm not feeling this combination either. So this jacket is by Prosperity. I believe it was $78, and it's in a mauve color. Again, I'll bring you links below. You know, it's okay. I don't know if I'm actually loving the combination. I will try it on together, see how it is, and there's a good chance these both might be going back. All right, give me a minute, and I'll do a try on. Okay, first up I have the drop sweater on, and I don't like the material of this at all. To me, this is scratchy and it's going back. It also, I mean, I understand it has a sweetheart neckline, but this is a little bit too plunging for me for what I was looking for. I think I'm looking for more of like a V-neck and a little bit not so bodycon as this. And again, if you're gonna get this size up in this is a very, very small sweater in my opinion. All right, now come closer. You can see it's ribbed. And I have plenty of ribbed turtlenecks, as you know. I'm not afraid of wearing ribbed sweaters, but this one is like, and the material is scratchy. So no, this one is going back. I don't like it. I also have on the DL 1961 jeans. I wanted to first point out, because I didn't realize that there's a slit in them. Now, I'm not opposed to a slit. I actually think it's a kind of cute detail to have a slit in the leg like this. However, I already have a pair cut from the cloth that have a front slit. I don't want to add these to my collection. You know, I'm all for detail and having different things, but once I have one, I don't need another split hem leg. So even though it's different and on the side, I'm looking for something a little bit different than these. Moreover, they're very, very tight around my waist. I mean, I can't barely, I don't even know if I can front tuck something into these. These are tight. These are a size 25, which is typically my normal size, but there is only 1% stretch in these. So that's partly the reason why. It's 99% cotton, 1% spandex, and I'm not overall thrilled with the way they fit me lengthwise and in the crotch. They're not bad, but they're not the greatest either. If they were cheaper, maybe I would try, and if I didn't have a split leg, maybe I'd tolerate the crotch. It's not like that horrible, but I've had better fitting jeans, okay? Here's the back of them, okay? Regular 5-pocket style, pretty traditional other than the hem, okay? And that is the first. These are both going back. Give me a minute, and I'm gonna try on the mauve jacket top. Okay, I have to say I couldn't wait to get that sweater off. I don't think I have particularly sensitive skin, and I can wear a lot of different sweaters. I can do acrylic, I can do wool. That was the scratchiest sweater I think I ever tried on. It was just awful. So yeah, no to that sweater. All right, I have the same DL 1961 jeans on. They're starting to warm up on me, but I'm still gonna send them back. All right, I have on the Chaser thermal top, which was not cheap at $75, and this mauve jacket by Prosperity. And even though I want to add some mauve to my wardrobe, I'm not so sure this is it. Give me your opinions on this. What do you think of this outfit? Would you say, oh, she's wearing a cute outfit, or that looks so cute, or that coordinates well together? Or are you just kind of like, eh, it's okay. And I'm kind of feeling like, eh, it's okay. Let me know your thoughts on this. Is it cute together, or is it just go, eh, all right? Here is the back of it. I like the jacket. It's just that there's not much I would have to wear with this. And for me to just have it just for this one outfit and then being, it's okay, I'm not so sure I should keep it. And then thus I would still be on the hunt for more mauve to my wardrobe. So let me know your thoughts, okay? And give me a minute, and I'm gonna try on the Loft outfit, and for sure I know that's a keeper. So just give me a minute. Okay, up next is the Loft knit top. This is just like a t-shirt type of material. Let's see if I can figure out what the material is made out of. It is 92% cotton, 8% spandex, so thus it is very soft and stretchy. Okay, it does have a ribbing. I'll come a little bit closer so you can see. Okay, you see the ribbing. You can see the stripes pretty much match up on the arms and on the sides, which is good. It's kind of got a boat neck, but then it has like this like over thing right here. I like this. I think this is very groovy. I think this screams early spring. I like the patch pockets here on the jeans. They are a little bit long here for me, but I think it's tolerable. Here is the back of them. Very high rise, as you can see. And I think I like this outfit. This is very different to me. I can totally see wearing this with my navy moto over it and making it a very cute transitional outfit come March, April, May. Now, the one thing I have to say, I'm wearing my navy blue boots with these, which work, all right? You can see the pants aren't too long when I'm wearing heels, and I always wear heels. You know, I don't know if you can see clearly enough, all right? But come May, April, May, I'm not gonna wanna wear boots. So I'm gonna be on the lookout for a pair of like navy blue, most likely closed-toe shoes. So if any of you have any kind of idea of maybe what I can wear with a heel and not a pump, or if you get an idea of what might be out there, shoot it over to me, all right? I'm on the lookout for closed-toe navy shoes, maybe a mule, maybe some sort of platform, maybe a heeled loafer in navy blue. I don't know what exactly, all right? So this outfit, I believe, is a keeper, unless I look back at the footage and go, Carolyn, what are you thinking? I think I'm gonna return the mauve outfit unless some of you say it's really cute. And that red sweater, and it has to go back. It was just awful. And the DL 1961 jeans, I think, are going back as well. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I'm free. Click the notification bell to get notified of future videos from me, and give this video a thumbs up, and take care, and until next time.